It's definitely beneficial to have your whole crew in the same area, because you can obviously any week you can get together and go play as a unit.
Yeah.
I don't think it doesn't hurt us, but it just other teams have a little bit advantage on the team chemistry and the bonding factor that we don't get because we all live in separate areas.
So we had a couple practices just playing random days on the weekends. What was going through your head when we decided to go practice Storm?
I mean, it's just another professional practice, right? I mean, you can't really think about it too much different other than the layout being out. So we were just super stoked to get out there and play on the layout and hammer it out. And you know, we've been playing against a lot lower quality teams in the off season compared to the professional teams that we play against at the event. So we were definitely really excited to go play another professional team or whatnot. But yeah, I mean, it was good.
On the road again.
Yep, let's go.
How do we get there?
How do we get there? This exit?
Well, we're not gonna cross in front of the cop.
There's a cop right there. We can't get off.
Just take the cop out.
We gotta go the next exit. Alright. Are you following us? Alright. Next exit. I guess
Jesus.
that looks awesome. Let's stop. Temptation Island called. I had to answer. Let's go.
That's what it sounds like.
Lodge.
What's the phone number?
Yeah, let's just call him.
Yeah.
912
Yeah.
100. It's under Kyle Gray. Name Kyle Gray. So the guy did it wrong.
Kyle
Two
Gray?
rooms at the Kyle Gray.
Hang on. Let me call Damian back because he said the closest thing is Kyle Gray.
Hi, my friend made us a reservation for that. I just wanted to check whether it's the right place. I think it was under Kyle Gray.
The room should be under your name and my name.
You have two rooms at Kyle Gray. He's not going to be with us. Is that going to be a problem?
Yep. You there?
Okay, perfect.
It's under Kyle Gray.
Just for any incidentals, yeah, no problem.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. I just went back and looked at the reservation, and I think he just probably misspelled it, or like heard him wrong or something. I don't know. The room should still be under my name and
There's one of the
Junior's
persons
name,
there already.
but the reservation is under Kyle Gray.
Into one of the rooms?
All right, two chance.
I don't need to talk to him. If you can just let him in. Can you just tell me what his name is?
Kyle Gray.
Say that again. Sorry? Pete Smith, yeah, that's him. Just let him into one of the rooms and we'll give you credit cards when we get there for incidentals. We're about an hour and a half away. 2 hours. Alright, thank you. They let him in.
How's your car ride been?
Me?
Yeah.
It was great. I caught up on House of Cards on Netflix. I took a nap. Listened to Alfred cry about working on guns all the time. Made $52 at the Hard Rock in Tulsa. Jameson Mountain Dews. It was great. I love paintball. I love driving 5 hours of practice because we have such a big budget to spend on first class flights, private jets. It's because we have more heart than other teams. You kicked that loser Junior Brown on the back seat yet?
No, still not.
Hey Junior!
Yo!
We only allow winners at our team practices.
Nah.
Trying out for Texas Storm tomorrow? Hey, how close are we?
20 minutes.
Because it really f***ed my nap / Netflix House of Cards time. I don't appreciate it. But for real, how close are we?
20 minutes.
20?
Yeah.
That ass though. Is this place I don't think it's open. Put the camera away, you're always getting us in trouble. I don't think it's open. I don't have any shoes on and we're in Boxville. This place sucks.
Sucky.
What?
Sucky.
$4 interstate tolls. 50 cents rags on every hand in blackjack. These Indian children are living like kings out here. Dead ass though.
Is it working?
It's working.
Not working?
Bro! Does that work?
Place is closed.
Are we going to hell? Are we in hell?
That's where you
How many
belong.
miles till he's on empty?
He's on empty.
Get out and push.
It's below E. It's
See you in the field tomorrow.
ass.
You have till noon.
That ass though.
Well, you better search a gas station right now before we start driving
I
around.
have a full battery on my phone. I can watch Netflix for hours without moving.
Well, you could search gas stations right now.
We'll see you at the hotel.
Paige already checked in the room. I'm telling you not to play you.
What?
Paige already checked in the room.
What?
That ass though.
That chin though. Got my vanquish purse. Don't want to forget that.
The things we do. It's the glorious life. I don't know who wouldn't want this.
My damn near bicep getting too big for my purse.
Drive 6 hours to hang out with a bunch of people in Foxville, Oklahoma. This is great. Maybe we can check for
You guys are gonna.
Pate's already in the room.
He's saying that you need to come do this.
I'm not doing anything. Pate's in the room.
Oh, for the second room?
You, what, the bait, is that enough? Bait or what?
Yeah, he was already. That's mine. I'm Brett.
Right,
And I was catching like my first damn cowgirl.
What don't you want to do?
What?
What don't you want to do?
Put my car in the room.
Off the grid?
No paper
He's
chairs.
already in the room.
That's 1 minute.
Yeah? Team party! The connecting door? Tell me the connecting door.
Nope.
Damn it. Shit. How about that?
Oh man, we got a damn near mini fridge. And it's got KFC in it. And a beer.
Oh,
There's literally KFC.
We got KFC. We got a Budweiser. Then we got mashed potatoes. What else we got? Mashed potatoes.
and there's a dead person in the back.
Oh my god.
Mac and cheese. And gravy. We're set. Woo! America.
I got presents. Our room came with room service.
You guys got that was left in there?
Yeah.
We got beers too, but we haven't.
You want some KFC? Our room came with KFC and a Budweiser.
Here, hand me here.
We had a bum, a drunken bum sleeping in our room. Look at that.
I'm not
Do we have storm head to toe this year? Well,
Yeah. Move.
Back it up, back it up.
Right. No right turn.
Out up in here.
Will be on the left.
There's some green grass. Like spray painted the grass.
spray paint.
No. Fertilizer.
Stones are sprayed.
Yeah, look, the concrete's all green too.
Sprayed fertilizer. They got that upgraded turf.
Come to our church. The grass is greener over here.
Grass is greener on the other side.
Alright.
Destination is on the left.
That
Oh,
looks good.
we made it to the church.
Is it right here maybe?
Choctaw Paintball. Maybe.
Outdoor laser tag.
Here it is.
Birthday party, welcome.